Welcome back to the Off the Line Performance YouTube channel. My name is Grayson, and behind me is a 2015 Subaru WRX STI. We are going to be installing our OTL muffler deletes, which is in this box. These are compatible from 2015 all the way up to 2021 for the STIs, and 2015 all the way up to 2020, also 2021 for the WRXs. So the VA chassis is what these are for. So let's get into it. Let's start by opening up the box. Very proud of our packaging here. Nice and discreet, so some porch pirates don't yank it off your doorstep. Okay, so in the box you have our actual muffler delete here, which has a laser cut tag that is welded onto the muffler delete, so you can tell that it's ours. You also have a hardware kit, which includes OEM Subaru gaskets for the muffler deletes. And then you also have your choice of tips. So we have the stainless ones here, which are just raw, no burnt, nothing else. And then we also have, ready? Movie magic right here. Okay. And then we also have the burnt style tip. So both are available. They're the same price. It just goes on whatever your preference is. Okay, so the tools that we're going to need is just a 14mm socket or a 14mm wrench and a ratchet if you're using a socket. I have my electric ratchet here because it's going to speed things up just a little bit. We're going to slip this on the back side and then get these off. See that catch, dude? So sick. Now we're done with our hand tools for a second, and we are going to use our hands to actually get these boots off. If you have some sort of penetrating oil like WD-40 or Freol, something like that, you can spray a little bit on the actual metal part of the exhaust hanger, and it makes it just a little bit easier to take off. So I'm going to do that now. So you have one on the front over here towards the center of the car, and then the outer one is between the rear fender and the muffler. I'm going to start with this one. See how easy that slides off if you put penetrating oil on. So easy. Okay, now we will get our hardware and gaskets out. We include nice zinc coated hardware so it's not going to rust, get all crappy. All right, now what I like to do for these is I like to set the gasket on and pass the bolt through, because usually if they'll stay, I don't know if these ones will, if they stay, it makes it so you don't have to hold on to the gasket. All right, so we got our fasteners laid in there and the gasket. We're going to start by putting in the rear hanger, slipping that in, and then we'll get the front one up in here. Okay, get our nuts. All right, we'll leave those loose and we'll grab the other one, knock that one out real quick. Put the rear one in first. Then we'll get the front one. All right, and we'll tighten everything down. Okay, our aftermarket fasteners are 15mm, so you'll have to have those as well. All right, that's all tight. Now we can put the tips on. So the tip clamp is also a 15 millimeter. So you'll notice the tips are staggered. One sticks out a little bit further than the other. We're gonna put the one that sticks out further on the inside. Slide that on there. All right. So there is some room for adjustment with the tips and the gasket as well. So you kind of have to play with it just a little bit, just like any other exhaust, just to get it perfect. All right, that's it. It's super easy install. Should take you anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how quick you are. It looks phenomenal. It's gonna sound awesome. We're gonna do some sound clips now. And if you have any interest in them, they're on our website. The link is in our description. If you want more Subaru performance parts or GR Corolla, any other platform you're kind of interested in, you can go to our website, offthelineperformance.com.